Positive pressure cassette type single facer corrugated module is equipped for fast change, servo motor control, hydraulic control for gap adjustment, turnover type gluing wheel module, echo arc preheating plate. Positive pressure paper guiding, good shaping performance. Corrugating rolls changed at both sides of cassette type single facer quickly and efficiently. Turnover type gluing wheel module with precise structure, easy to clean and maintain. Gap between each rolls controlled easily and efficiently. No speed difference structure between pressure roll and corrugating roll. Glue roll is driven by servo motor. Cardboard quality is improved by PLC general line control at site, HMI control. Real-time status monitored by remotor control. Multiple modules with different flute profile can be equipped with single facer. Corrugating rolls changed conveniently and quickly due to the gapless structure. Roll changing platform on driving side. Roll changing more easily and quickly. Conventional electric trolley at operation side. Production restarted within 15 minutes. Equipped with high-speed servo control auto splicer. Fully servo control on tension with high accuracy. HMI is equipped. Paper running condition real-time monitored. Splicer maximum working speed, 350 meters per minute.